Oh.
What is it?
Happy Valentine's Day, Cohen. Can you open it?
Yeah.
This one's really hard for some reason. What is it?
What are those, Cohen? Are those stickers?
Yeah.
Yeah. You say thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Say thank you, Dada.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Cohen.
You see
Thank
the
you.
stickers?
That's what we thought would happen.
Good job. You want a sticker? Can you put it on? What is that, Cohen? Is it a lion?
It's gonna cover his body in them. There we go. That's where I thought it would go.
Hey,
Oh.